We're here today celebrating our grand opening of our brand new community, the Courtyards of TowneRun. This community is so very exciting for us. It gives us the opportunity to bring these low maintenance 2-story townhomes to this area in Westfield, walkable to future retail, walkable to future restaurants, and walkable to Lifetime Country Club that's coming into the area. So all of these homes have our primary suite situated on the main floor of our homes. Not only that, they're looking out into the private courtyard space. So where do you get an opportunity to have townhome lifestyle with a primary bedroom on the main floor? The layout of these homes really provide versatility based on what your needs are. We start from 2 bedrooms, go up to 3 bedrooms with a loft space. In addition to the lifestyle you'll find in these townhomes, we have taken that low maintenance lifestyle up a notch to that next level, where we're also including exterior maintenance in our homes. This community is going to feature our lounge, where you could gather with your neighbors, create some new connections, and even spend time indoors in the lounge and even outside in the fire pit. We would love the opportunity for you to come by, meet our team, and introduce you to how great the Epcon lifestyle can be.